Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hot chocolate. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. Using whole milk truly enhances the richness and creaminess of your drink. Precise measurements are key to achieving that perfect balance of sweetness and chocolatey goodness, ensuring a delightful treat every time. Next, let's create a smooth base. In a medium saucepan, combine the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and the pinch of salt. Gradually add about 1/4 cup of the milk, whisking continuously until a thick, smooth paste forms. This crucial step prevents any lumps from forming later, ensuring your hot chocolate is wonderfully smooth and consistent throughout. Now, it's time to heat things up. Slowly pour in the remaining 1 3/4 cups of milk into the saucepan with your chocolate paste. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a whisk or spoon. Be patient and do not let it boil, just bring it to a gentle simmer. This careful heating ensures the flavors meld beautifully without scorching the milk. Finally, your comforting hot chocolate is ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the warm beverage into your favorite mugs. For an extra special touch, consider garnishing with a dollop of whipped cream, a handful of fluffy marshmallows, or some delicate chocolate shavings. Serve it immediately and savor the rich, homemade flavor. It's the perfect treat for any cozy moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.